Hey, good evening, YouTube. This is the Eminence Finance Community here, back again with another video. And I'm going to be making an updated video on the Chime bank account. It's been about 2 years since I've last used Chime, so I noticed things have changed. And one main thing that I've noticed that has changed is the fact that their referral bonus went from $50 to $100. So, they're trying to make us richer out here, which is pretty good. Can't complain about that. But yeah, let me just run down what Chime is all about real quick. Like I said, it's an online bank, similar to other banks like Current and Varo and all these other online banks. And if you don't notice, if you don't know, Chime actually lets you get paid about 2 days earlier than you normally would from any regular bank. So if you have a job and you have direct deposit, for example, you'll get your paycheck a lot faster with Chime, about 2 days faster. Or any transaction is going to go 1 day or 2 days faster than normal if you use Chime or any of these bank accounts that are online, these online banks. They all are pretty similar in that regard, but we're only talking about Chime in this video though, so we're going to stick to the subject. But yeah, like I said, you'll get your money faster with Chime. Any deposits will be faster with Chime, so that's a pretty good perk that Chime has to offer. And there are a couple of other features that I'll run down real quick. They have this thing called the Credit Builder, whereas it helps you build your credit. I'm not really that knowledgeable on it still. I still need to do some more research. Some more research on the Credit Builder card, but it's something like, you put money on the card and once you buy things, Chime will automatically pay it off, and then it will go towards your credit, your statement, your credit statement. It will build your credit. That's something that I've heard. That's what they say. So I think that's a pretty cool feature. I've used it a couple of times in the past, and I did notice my credit was going up. So I guess it does work. But again, I haven't used it that often, so I can't really give you an accurate explanation on this current builder card. And you can also open up a savings account with Chime, and they have this thing called Spot Me with overdraft with no fees. So that's another pretty cool perk. But this video is about the referral bonus, so I'm going to tell you guys how the referral bonus works. And there's a couple of critical things that you need to understand, because I noticed in the past when I made these types of videos, I had noticed I've gotten a lot of signups, but people weren't doing what they were supposed to do because I think they did not follow the directions. And the directions simply goes like this. Once you sign up using my link, you have to have a qualifying deposit of at least $200 in order for you to get your $100 bonus. What does that mean? That means that the deposit has to be from an employer or some form of employment. Meaning, like it could be gig economy stuff like DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, like whatever, Lyft. If you do Lyft, it could be something like that. It could be from your job, obviously, because that's employment. Any form of employment. It cannot be a peer-to-peer transaction like Cash App and Zelle and all the other stuff. That's not going to work. It cannot be from PayPal or anything like that. That's not going to work. It cannot be an ACH transfer, from a bank. That's not going to work. No wire transfers, nothing like that. It has to be from an employer or some sort of self-employment or gig economy thing, whatever it is. It has to be any one of those things. If it's not that, it's not going to work. So I hope we're clear on that. And also, here's another thing. The $200 has to be at least $200 or more. It cannot be split up into, small payments until it's 200. No, it doesn't work like that either. That meaning that, for example, if you put $50 four times until you get to 200, it's not going to work. If you do 100 here, 100 here, it's not going to work. If you do 200 $1 bills at a time, it's not going to work. It has to literally be a payment of $200 or more. One payment of $200 or more. for that referral thing to work. Otherwise, it's not going to work. It cannot be $199. It has to be $200. So just make sure that you are depositing $200 or more in one deposit, so that you can get your money and that I can get my money, so that everybody can get their money. Is that understood? All right. So that's all I have to say about that. I will leave my link in the comment section and in the description of this video. And I hope everybody takes care and have a wonderful day.